In a crowded market, being good isn't enough. The noise is deafening, and standing out feels impossible. Thousands of voices are screaming for attention every second. If you're just another voice, you're invisible. To cut through, you need more than a product. You need a presence. You need to be known. But being known isn't the goal. Being trusted is. Trust is the ultimate currency in today's digital economy. You need to build undeniable brand authority, the kind of authority that makes competition irrelevant. NetWealth Hub provides the blueprint for building a brand that resonates with power and prestige. We don't just teach marketing. We teach how to build a brand that resonates deep within your market. It starts with your messaging. It has to be sharp, direct, and unmistakably yours. No fluff, just impact. Then comes your content strategy. It's not about volume, it's about strategic positioning of your expertise. We show you exactly how to position yourself as the go-to expert, the only logical choice for your clients. Stop chasing clients. Chasing is for those who haven't built authority yet. It's time for a new approach. When you have authority, the clients come to you. You become the prize, not the hunter. This is how you build a legacy, not just a business. A business is for today. A legacy is for a lifetime. A legacy requires a solid foundation. That's what our blueprint provides, the structural integrity of success. Most people get stuck in the expert trap. They have the knowledge, but no one knows they exist. We solve the visibility problem by layering your expertise into a format that the market can't ignore. It's about commanding your market, not just participating in it. Dominance is a design choice. Our roadmap takes you through every milestone, from foundational messaging to global brand recognition. When you reach that status, everything changes. Your prices go up and your effort goes down. You start building assets that work for you 24/7, reinforcing your authority while you sleep. So are you ready to become the authority? Are you ready to stop faffing about and start executing? Let's make it happen. Visit netwealthhub.com today and download your blueprint for dominance. Become the authority. Command your market. We'll see you on the inside.